Okay, real talk. When a dealer slides a monthly payment across the desk, do you actually know where that number comes from? Most people don't. And that's exactly how a bad deal sneaks past you. So today I'm going to show you how to build a lease payment yourself. No app, no dealer, just a calculator and a couple of numbers. Stick with me, it's way easier than it looks. First, you need 6 numbers. That's it. Grab your phone's calculator. Number 1, MSRP, the sticker price, what's on the window. 2, the selling price, what you actually haggle down to before taxes and rebates. 3, rebates, free money from the manufacturer that comes off the top. 4, residual value, basically what the car's worth at the end of the lease. 5, lease length, how many months? 36 is the usual one. And 6, the money factor. Don't panic, this one's just the interest rate wearing a costume. We'll unmask it in a second. Got those 6? Cool. The rest is just adding and subtracting. Let's deal with the scary one. The money factor is just the interest rate written as a weird little decimal. Here's the only trick you need. Multiply it by 2,400 and you get the APR. So 0.00125 times 2,400? That's 3%. Boom! Now it's not scary anymore. And it works backwards too. Got an APR? Divide by 2,400. Alright, let's run a real one. Here's our car. MSRP $50,000. Selling price $48,000. A $1,000 rebate. Residual is 58%. That's $29,000. A 36-month term. And a money factor of 0.00125, which we know is 3%. Quick thing on that residual. 58% of a $50,000 car is $29,000. That's what the manufacturer says it'll be worth when you hand it back. Here's the whole secret. A lease payment is just 2 things added together: depreciation and a finance charge. Let's grab each one. Step 1. Depreciation. This is you paying for the chunk of value the car loses while you're driving it around. But first, one quick number, the cap cost. That's just what you're financing. Your selling price minus rebates minus any down payment. $48,000 minus our $1,000 rebate, cap cost is $47,000. Now the depreciation. Take the cap cost, subtract the residual, and split it across the months. 47 grand minus 29 grand is $18,000 of value gone over the lease. Divide by 36 months, $500 a month. That's part 1. Step 2. The finance charge. Basically, the rent you pay for borrowing the money. Here's where people mess up, so watch this. You do not just multiply your loan by the money factor. You add the cap cost and the residual together first, then multiply. So 47,000 plus 29,000 is 76,000 times 0.00125, $95 a month. That's part 2. Step 3 is the fun part. Just add them. 500 plus 95, $595 a month before tax. And that's it. You just built a lease payment from scratch. Seriously, that's the whole thing. Now, that $595 is the core. In real life, a few extras get tacked on, and they change by state. Usually they land in your first payment or your due at signing. The acquisition fee, the manufacturer's admin fee, it's on basically every lease. Sales tax. Most states only tax the payment, not the whole car. A few, like Texas, tax the full price. Registration and title, the government's cut. The dock fee, the dealer's paperwork charge. And add-ons, paint sealant, VIN etching, all that. You can usually just say no. Oh, and watch for this. Dealers love to roll all those fees into the cap cost so they can say 0 due at signing. Nothing's actually free. A bigger cap cost just quietly bumps your monthly. But now, you'll catch it. Let's lock it in. 3 formulas run the whole show. 1. Depreciation equals cap cost minus residual divided by months. 2. The finance charge equals cap cost plus residual times the money factor. 3. The payment is those two added up. Learn those three and you can walk into any dealership, redo their math on a napkin, and know in 10 seconds whether that payment is a great deal or a hard pass. Alright, if this finally made leasing click for you, hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps. And hey, drop a real lease offer in the comments and I'll run the numbers on it myself. Thanks for hanging out. Now go get yourself a good deal.